Please be advised of the disclaimers.
Hey, welcome back to my channel. It's Pinnacle Trading here. Had a solid start this week. I traded Visa again, day traded it for nice profits in the morning, just half-hour trading and called it a day, took profits and I was done. So let's get into that trade. So I took Visa at a 162.81 entry and gained about $275 in profit on that one. It went up a little bit more after I exited the trade, but I called it a day, hit my daily target of at least 200 or so right now, above my target, so I was happy with that and called it a day. And I'll show you how you can get started with day trading with just $350. So stay tuned and I'll show you how you can get that discount. So when we got into Visa trade, I alerted it in the initial entry on this one at 162.93, and let's go ahead and pull up the charts and I'll show you why I added at that position over there as soon as I saw it coming up. So this is my VWAP strategy that I use, teach this in my mentorship and my course that's going to be released soon. So I took an entry on this one in the morning at about 162.93, and what happened on this one, I waited, I saw it run up and I saw the pullback. I wanted to pull back a little bit more before getting in, and right here on this candle I got in just about the middle or upper band of that candle right here, 162.93. What happened? It did go up a little bit and then it came down all the way to 162.33. And the VWAP strategy, basically I used the VWAP bands with this one, saw it bounce off the low VWAP band. Also have my other script right here. That one is going to be, this is another script that I use for this one, and that's going to be the Bollinger Bands that I use on the right over there. This is my VWAP strategy I use over here. So I use both of them side by side. I've been trading this stock every single day for the past week and been going well so far. So saw the bounce off, saw a huge bullish engulfing candle right here and went up all the way here. So I added to my position on this one at 162.82, had an average at about 162.83, average down on this one, and boom, right after that went over VWAP, went over the EMA, stayed above, and as soon as I saw it hit that 163.5, it came down a little bit again. Didn't take profits yet, and as soon as it came back up again, I took profits on that one, and I took profits in threes. So I took initial profits right there, second profits on that pullback right there, and as soon as it shot up over there, I took my final profits, and that was about 163.57 right there, and that was it. I was done at 9:57, so 27 minutes into the day, and made about $275 on that trade on Visa. And again, the charts look very easy as I'm showing you right here, where I'm adding, exiting a position, but I teach all these strategies in my mentorship. I'm going to be releasing a course soon, which you still have access to one-to-one live if you want, but in the course I go over all these strategies I'm putting together that right now. So within a couple months that's going to be released, which includes lifetime access to the chat room. So if this video helped you out, make sure to hit that subscribe button. So last thing, I want to show you how you can get started day trading with just $350. So in my position, I traded 450 shares on this one, and that's about 80k capital to trade with. And how do I do that? I have a trade net. I trade with the firm, which gives me live funded account and the huge leverage that I need to day trade with, so I don't have to put in a ton of my money and worry about losing it all. So you can get started with day trading with just $350, and that will allow you to apply for the funded account along with their education and so on, and that gives you a 14,000 account. I personally have the student program, which I paid. That is a pricing on the discount right there. It's only $3,000, so it's right now all of these are 20-30% off. That gives you an 80,000 funded account. You get to keep up to 75% of the profits you generate. And again, if you want to join my chat room where I throw out these alerts, these day trading alerts, long-term investing alerts, options, I cover all types of stocks and option strategies, head over to my site. That's pinnacletrading.us. Scroll down for a free 1-week trial, click that join now button. That will take you into the Discord room and send me a message about the trial. And if you want to join the membership immediately, head over to the membership tab. I have simple month-to-month plan pricing, no contract, no commitment. You can cancel at any time, and do have mentorship plan. This is where I teach you live one-to-one how to get started with day trading, my beginner, immediate, and intermediate and advanced strategies. Everything that I've learned, I teach you live in the mentorship, all the secrets that I use as well. So I hope this video helped you out with day trading. Make sure to take advantage of the TradeNet discount that's going on right now to get that live funded account, and make sure to hit that subscribe button and the bell button next to it to stay notified, and I'll see you in my next video.